Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, HD is a reversal setup that I like. HD is set up to test 184 to 185. The May 18 180 calls are great to use. Yeah, this is going to be a fast mover, but there's a very high probability that they're going to want to go and test 184 to 185. Where this would be a safe 100% gain on a low end for these particular options. Could be better. So we're going to look to use these May 18, like I'm showing here, May 18 180 calls. Okay. Now, HD needs to, well, again on confirmation, HD needs to, I will explain. So on confirmation, we will look to engage inside of these particular options. And I will be doing that inside of power group trades. So let me show you something. All right, people, this is power trigger trade. Confirmation is key on Twitter here. Now, this is my pinned tweet video, and this video explains how to become a group member inside of Power Group Trades if you don't know everything, meaning words, my plans, all my plans. These are some sample of my plans, but everything is detailed. And let me show you some more key facts. Let's go to my YouTube channel here. Let's go, people. Let's go. When you're a first-time person, you're going to see a welcome screen. This welcome screen is a great video to watch. I explain a lot of key things about my system right over here. People, give me a second here. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detail. Listen, people, you want to study my created playlist, okay? If you're not a subscriber yet to this YouTube channel, you want to subscribe to it. I'm doing my series, why the SPY is going to 300, and I got some great videos here and my live streams documented for you, and I'll be adding more information inside my created playlist, SPY to 300 before the facts and why. And again, I created this playlist yesterday, but the videos and what I said was way before the facts of the market recovering and so on. But you want to see the big picture, you want to see what's there. Plus, I've got a lot of great big picture plans from start to end. Oh, it's a wealth of information over here. Just alone, okay? Again, a link to my website here, Power Target Trades. A lot of great wealth information links, and of course get you to Power Trigger Trade for Twitter. Now, if you have an account already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here. Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.